Today is about people finding out about Vodafone and their Appstar scheme, and basically finding another route to market. So it's finding there are a lot of new app stores and things setting up, and it's important that people find out what's out there and what new platforms they can put their software on.
Today's an opportunity to see exactly what Vodafone are doing in the marketplace and how developers can work with them through their application development, and to see what the business models are as well.
Now, given that we've only we launched the 360 service really in September, October, to get to 7,000 is quite significant, but it also goes to show that there's still a huge opportunity for you as a developer to engage with a customer, not only in the UK but all the way across Europe and all our partner markets as well, coming soon. But it gives you the first mover advantage to get involved with this particular platform, get engaged with other developers, and also bear in mind that we are taking a very web-centric approach to this. So there's a lot of web applications out there which you can bring to the mobile device, and the added element of context is quite relevant here.
New, novel, quirky, and just moves away from basically just repurposing an RSS feed of data. I want to see something really cool, take stuff, mash it together. That's the sort of thing we're looking for. Something really interesting, but most importantly, something that's really good for customers, something that provides real value for customers, whether that's a niche or whether that's a whole range of customers.
We don't live in a bubble. We appreciate there's many mobile platforms, there's Android, and there's iPhone. But what we're really saying is that there are customers who wouldn't go out and get one of those devices, segments that you can reach, that we can tap into, and we give them a channel to market and the ability to make money if they want to sell that app as well. So we've got, I think, just about over 7,000 apps across Europe, which is pretty significant since we only launched in November, working on I think about 50 plus devices.
We're currently offering apps in 8 of our European markets. So you've got the UK, Germany, Italy, Greece, Portugal, the Netherlands and Ireland, and also South Africa as well. All have the 360 apps store live in their markets. And as we progress through the coming year, there'll be 10 more markets globally.
Yeah, I think one of the great ones that we've done is pretty London-centric, but it's tube exits, where you put your starting station and then you put your destination station. It tells you the best carriage to get on, the best door to get on, to get off by the exit of the tube station. It's just a really clever idea.
Anybody do World of Warcraft? Who's going to admit it? Excellent. Apparently, people like to show off where they are with their characters or people that they know. So this is a World of Warcraft AMERY viewer.
We have one called Social Buzz, which looks at where people are linking to off Twitter. We have 2 that we do off government data. We'd like to say it's part of the Open Government initiative, but it's not. We just found the data and decided to have a go. So we do one which is you can basically look at the statistics office data for the whole country, and another one where you can type in your postcode and it'll tell you all about your local area. Be innovative, don't come with a me too. Secondly, if you can possibly do it, and this might be difficult for a 17-year-old in his bedroom, which is go get a big brand. Big operators like big brands, so if you have a big brand behind something, that's great. If you've got a Spider-Man game, that's lovely. If you've got a game that kind of looks like Spider-Man would be doing it if it was a different colour, then it's not quite so appealing, even if the technology was fabulous. So be innovative, get a big brand if you can possibly do it, and then perseverance.
The opportunity, well, as has been mentioned today, there's the Appstar competition and Appstar competition 2, or whatever it's going to be called. And we would like to work with developers to try and help you win that prize. We see that as a great way of helping build our relationships with the developer community. We have content that we would love to see your ideas as to how we could help some of our media partners or enterprise partners develop their ideas, and we can pull your ideas and their content or their assets together.
One of the other things we do also is what we call monetized search, and this is where we're a search aggregator, and this is for anybody who has a search box on their mobile site, or it could be an application, and essentially they want to send us a keyword or keywords that a user has put into that search box in order to get relevant advertiser results sent back.
But for Vodafone specifically, we've done a lot of, with a lot of major brands such as Rough Guides, where we've done over 200 city guide applications, which can be downloaded straight onto the handset by the user at a cost of 49p per guide, and that gives them a sort of whole host of information about Barcelona or any of the other 201 cities around the world.
We are a Spanish-based company, as he said. I mean, we work globally, no? I think that our name is Kimia, and the meaning of Kimia is comes from the Arabic. It's the art of transformation, and that's what we do, no? We do magic with the content. That's our idea. So basically, we are a mobile internet company where we are able to get any content coming from internet or any other content source, make it mobile. It can be a video, news, pictures, anything. And then we deliver this content through any distribution channel. We have done several hundreds of applications for them. Actually, we have mobilized in the application store a lot of media companies, newspapers, TVs. They are already available there. Basic apps just for reading the news. And also, we are working now in more compelling application for the end user, where they are going to be able to search for jobs, for example, or find a property using the Vodafone 360 apps, and also using geolocalization, what will make it much more interesting for the end user.
I've seen a lot of apps over the last 12 months. I'm really hopeful that people here today will come up with something that I haven't seen. That I haven't said, oh, well, okay, yeah, you know, that's kind of like that one. I want to see something really novel. I hope I get it. And if somebody does come up with that, that would be brilliant.
The networking side of this event is really important to us. It gives a chance for companies from this region and around the UK as well to talk to each other and find out what they're up to. It's really important. It's part of the process that we enjoy at Screen Yorkshire.
I would say, even if you're working on other platforms, to bring your content and put it through 360. You're going to get to customers you wouldn't be able to maybe on those other devices and channels. And don't wait, you know, bring us your apps now. You can always get the first version and make it better when the new APIs come out. But you know, as the app partners have been saying today, just get stuck in right now. Get your app in the catalogue, start making some money, and then grow with us over the next 18 months.
It's been a really good day, really big learning curve for quite a lot of people here, understanding what Vodafone needs, but I think some really good opportunities. So check out the information on the website and come back to us with any questions.